pretty much finished my whole inventory of all the work that's been done on Galopin these past 3 years, so I can get my boating license renewed and my Swiss flag. Man, look at this, it's just amazing today.
So I got word that I must renew my Swiss boat registration. I'll get to that. Right now, I'm looking for something.
Got one, but I lost one. I have two. I want to have two. Of course, you lose the one that's most important, so I'm going to this hardware store here. They should have it. They don't sell just one piece. One ratchets, whatever. Sell the whole set. I don't need the whole set. I'm gonna try another hardware store. This place is my favorite bakery. They have the best bread. It's called Bread Rustica. See if I can find this one ratchet. I think it's 12 millimeter or 11 millimeter here at this other hardware store. Hardware store too. Well, they didn't have it. So I might have to go to that one hardware store where I go to get everything. Zephyrin. It's a little far just for that, but next time. Anyways. My favorite bread here, that's gonna be my breakfast. Crunchy. Lovely bread. Nice and crunchy, just plain butter.
Now after breakfast, I must attend to paperwork. First is renewing Wendy's work contract. She needs this in order to leave the country.
Got all my paperwork out here. Here's my €50 black ink cartridge. But look at that. It printed Wendy's contract just fine. So no too much bitching about that. And now my cool little scanner is scanning. I'm putting this whole document together to send to the Swiss authorities. Now I'm scanning my revision of my entire life raft. So I'm putting all this together. I'm going to send it over to the Swiss authorities. Hopefully it'll be all cool. One problem, because when I work in Africa, they don't usually give you facture or bills, you know, or the invoice. Diego fixed my sales. I don't have like paper receipts for that, so I have to prove it to the Swiss authorities with pictures. You know, they actually did the work. Now, I don't have the paper trail because it's all done in cash. Other stuff I do have, you know, like the Victron MP3 regulator charger for my solar panels. But the solar panel that I bought off my friend Peter, I paid $160 for that, but I did not, or 140, I forget, but I did not get a receipt from that. The autopilot, which I ordered from England, yeah, I definitely have a receipt for that, but I had to find it online. Couldn't find the actual paper one. Oh, spent all day doing this today, man. Oh, boy, I don't miss administrative work. This is, ugh. But anyways, we'll get it done. It'll be good for 3 years. And hey, by then we have circumnavigated Africa with Wendy. She was going to come visit me today, but it's super windy and cold out there. Just died down. So we're going to hunker down tonight and we'll see each other tomorrow. I'm super pleased. Pretty much finished my whole inventory of all the work that's been done on Galopin these past 3 years, so I can get my boating license renewed and my Swiss flag.
The Swiss authorities require your boat to be seaworthy. It's like a checkup. There's nothing wrong with that. I could register my boat in another country with less hassles, but then I would not have certain benefits, like worldwide insurance. As well, we're generally liked around the world and respected as sailors. You know, neutral politics. Only downside is people think you're rich. Wealth profiling. That's alright. I like representing Switzerland. Everything breaks on a boat. Like the grill on my stove. Look at that. It's all busted good. But I got a friend who can get it fixed.
Look at that. Fixed up my grill for my little stove here. It's all nice. Thank you, Koif. Got it done with a buddy of his. Cost $50. Actually 45, and I gave $5 to Koif for getting it done for me. Not bad. Actually, very good job. Thank you.
And on to another top with Matt.
All good?
All good. Going up.
Just got my workout this morning. Winching Matthew up the mast. Gonna fix my Windex that the damn dirty Camerons broke over there in Senegal. I need to look at the light too. So Matthew, thank you for going up there.
Ah, my pleasure. One of my most fun tasks to get on the boat.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Oh, I love it all the time. Get
So
some
the
pictures.
Windex is fixed, the light fixed. Now we have one shroud but that's good that we saw that.
Yep. Got a little fish hook on one of the
Yeah.
lower shrouds.
Yeah.
Just change that out.
And
Easy
we'll be
peasy.
good. Yeah. I was really lucky to have Matthew go up in the mast and change my Windex. Put a new one up there that Dan had brought. Camerons broke it in Senegal. As well, he checked my tricolor light, which I checked down here and everything, and it was up there that there was a little bit of corrosion. Cleaned it up. Tricolor light is working fine. So that's huge, huge. There's one short stay that needs to be replaced. We'll take care of that. But like I said, thank you, Matt, for doing that. Now I've got yet another problem I just noticed. A little leak in the pump for the head. The actual pump is cracked. I don't know if I can find one here. I'm going to take it apart and see if I can glue it, fix it that way. It's a Japsco pump. You should be able to find them easily. But we're in Africa, so I'm going to do a temporary solution until I can find one or order one or somebody could bring one. Look at the gunk in there, man. Nasty. They come apart really easily. Right there is the crack. I think I can fix it. I need to clean this up. Oh God, it's full of yuck. This is like cement. All this stuff gets in there. I'm gonna get in there and fix this baby. Cracks in here. So I'm gonna clean all this out first. No big deal. We are gonna fix it. I'm gonna let it dry up and put a dual component glue in there and some Sikaflex. I think it'll do the job. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got to go leave a deposit in the toilet. It's early morning and well, in the middle of the night last night I actually dropped one in the ocean. Had no choice, you understand? But now I got my pump fixed. It was only right here. You can see that. I think it'll be fine. Put some double component glue in there. And I cleaned all these disgusting things out from all the calcium and junk that got stuck in there, and I'm gonna put it back together and have a relaxing moment with me and my intestinal system. Ugh, smells. Some air in here. Well, toilet's all back together, pump's all back together. Let's turn on the through valves and see what happens. Oof, I could use some relief. Uh-oh. Nature's calling. Time to go. Moment of privacy, please, okay? Oh, nice. Hello, neighbors.
Hello.
Sorry to be a bad neighbor, driving you away.
Yeah, always the noise and the drinking. Girls. All those girls.
So where are you going Sunday?
Surinam. Yeah, looks good. Weather is good.
Yeah, it's better, huh?
Yeah, better. Waves are best. So
Surinam.
we're going Sunday. Another Dutch guy is going straight for our morning.
Oh yeah. Oh, as soon as you leave, somebody's taking it. Oh, good, man. It's the best place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just gave our laundry to Elizabeth.
Oh yeah.
So,
So you're almost ready to go. Couple more breakfasts and Sunday morning. Go early when it's calm.
Oh, here in the agglomeration zone. You mean?
Yeah. It's better if you go. Well, you're going down, so it's not as bad.
Well,
But-
we have to do the dinghy and things like that. So.
They were really nice neighbors, always cheery and friendly, and they're off to cross the Atlantic to Surinam. As of today, we haven't heard from them. A little worrying. It's been about 3 weeks.
So what happened? You started to cross the ocean, and
my girlfriend, we discovered and she was completely sick.
but she was pregnant.
Yes, pregnant that we know, but she was not seasickness before,
Uh-huh.
and
It was bad.
was very bad. 6 days without drink and
eating.
on eating. Drink a little, but all drink she drink, putting
Yeah.
out. It was very bad.
So
And,
So you turned around.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.